In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block someone on Emo. If you need to stop someone from contacting you on Emo, the process is quick and simple. Blocking a person can help you avoid unwanted messages, calls, or interruptions, and it only takes a few taps once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along at your own pace. First, open the Emo app on your phone. Make sure you're on the main screen and fully loaded into the app before continuing. If you haven't used Emo in a while, you may need a moment for your chats and contacts to appear. Next, go to either your Chats tab or your Contacts section. The option you choose depends on where it's easiest for you to find the person you want to block. If you've recently spoken with them, they'll probably be easier to find in chats. If not, checking your contacts may be the better option. Once you find the person, tap on their conversation or contact name to open it. This takes you into your chat with that person, where you'll be able to access more account and profile options. Take a moment to make sure you've selected the correct person before moving forward, especially if you have several similar names in your contact list. After that, open their profile by tapping their name or profile picture at the top of the screen. This will bring you to the page where Emo stores settings and actions related to that contact. Now look for the menu icon with 3 dots, or scroll down on the profile page if the block option appears lower on the screen. The exact layout can vary slightly depending on your device or app version, so don't worry if it looks a little different from what you expected. The key is to keep looking within the person's profile settings. When you see the block option, tap it. Emo will usually ask you to confirm this action to make sure you really want to block the contact. Finally, tap confirm or yes. Once you do that, the person will be blocked. They should no longer be able to contact you through Emo in the usual way. And that's it. That's how to block someone on Emo. If you're following these steps on a different phone model, the wording may vary slightly, but the overall process is the same.